thank you for clicking this video. So today I'll be teaching you how to install a torrent app on your iOS device. First, let's go to app.appvalley.vip on your Safari browser, and then let's search for this specific app. It's called iTorrent, and then hit on the get button and install. So after that, the iTorrent app will be installed on the phone, so let's just wait. Alright, so once we have the app installed, let's go to the settings now. Let's go to general and let's access device management, and then click the profile for the app and trust it on the phone. And then let's access the app, and we're done. Okay, so once we have the app all set, let's look for a torrent file that we can download. So I have here some sample torrent file. Let's download that file and open it using the iTorrent app, and hit on download, and that's it. And this is how you can access the downloaded file from the torrent file. So just scroll down and look for files, and that's how you view it. And you can also view the file from the Files app on the iOS. So as you can see, there's iTorrent, and just go into the folder of what you're downloading.